Oliver Moeller, nililigawan ba si Kim Chu? Kinakiligan ng mga manonood at netizens ang muling pagbisita ng Especially for You contestant na si Oliver Moeller sa It's Showtime ngayong Martes, April 16, 2024. Si Oliver, na isang Filipino-Norwegian lawyer, ang pinili ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle D sa dating game segment ng noontime show sa unang araw ng pag-ere nito sa GMA7 noong April 6. Bakit muling tumuntong si Oliver sa ABS-CBN noontime show? I just want to meet some friends, want to thank the people of Showtime and ABS-CBN for inviting me. Tugon niya sa panayam ni MJ Felipe ng ABS-CBN News. Kumusta na si Oliver mula nang lumabas siya at naging viral sa Especially for You? Saad ng Cebu-based lawyer, it's been crazy, overwhelming, and just. I'm just happy. I'm so happy that all my friends and my family are happy with everything that's happened. Katunayan ng biglaang kasikatan ni Oliver, sinalubong siya ng kanyang instant fans sa Cebu Airport pagbalik niya sa kanilang lalawigan. Yes, overwhelmed and, just like I said, just happy. I'm so happy that me just being there brought a lot of smiles to a lot of people, aniya. Ayon pa kay Oliver, maraming opportunities ang nagbukas para sa kanya. I guess a door on expanding my network, expanding my connections, maybe looking at some things in Manila. Kasama ba rito ang pagpasok niya sa mundo ng showbiz? Tugon niya, I'm actually considering it. That's part of the reason why. Paano na ang kanyang propesyon? Paliwanag ni Oliver, I'll always be a lawyer by heart. So, I most likely will still be based in Cebu most of the time, but I don't mind flying into Manila every now and then. Nangyari na ang first date ni na Oliver at Michelle D. Kumusta naman iyon? Michelle is amazing, elegant, such a well-spoken person, very professional. So, yeah, amazing person, saad niya. Marami rin ang gustong ay pareha si Oliver kay Kim Chu, isa sa mga co-host ng It's Showtime at Tubong Cebu rin. Aware ba siya rito? Tugon niya, yes, I've noticed. I've noticed the attention. May crush ba siya kay Kim bago pa ang Especially for You guesting? Saad ni Oliver, I've always thought Kim was such a pretty person. You know, she's from Cebu. So, I mean, I guess you could say that. Nililigawan ba niya si Kim? Saad niya, I don't think it's fair that I speak about that without Kim's permission. So, I'm so sorry. I hope you understand. But Kim's pretty nice.